Hi everyone, hope you are all doing great. Today's video is about the PINKALICIOUS Christmas collaboration. If you remember, I posted a first video about this album, this embellishment album. And then on the second week, I posted a video about Crafter's Choice embellishment. And so this week we had to make gift tags. So this is what I will show you today. Because this collaboration has been hosted by two American girls, this is the reason why I try today to film this video in English and not in French, and I'm going to put the subtitles in French. So for today, as I told you, I will show you the gift tag that I prepared for Judith, which is my swap partners. So as always, I will put the link to the other partners for this collaboration, so don't hesitate to go and check their YouTube channels. So here are my gift tags for this week. Of course, it's not very big because it has to fit in this pocket. I'm going to put that to the side. Okay. So as we were told, if it fits, it ships. So it has to fit in this mini album. So that's the reason why I've done 5 of them, but they are not very big. So here is the first one. So on all of them I put some ribbon. I put a small tag like this. And then I put some die cuts I made with my my Big Shot machine, and a stamp. And I used the collection from Prima, there's a sugar cookie collection. So here is the first one. And then I made this one, so with the little tag here. I used some Nouveau drops on this one. I made a poinsettia flower with the ribbon and the stamp. And then that's the next one with the little tag here. And the die cuts and the stamp saying meilleurs vœux, best wishes. And the white ribbon. Then I made this one. I love this collection. I really love this sugar cookie paper, and that's the last one. I use these images, I love it so much. I also put some Nouveau drops with the small tag and the ribbon. Alright, so here are my 5 tags for Judith. Hope she will like it. I'm going to put it on this album. So it has to fit in this pocket. And it does. Okay, so that's it for my video for today. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about it. And see you again next Friday for the last video of this collaboration. So take care and crafty hugs. Bye bye.